Hey there, it's Kathy again. And if you just watched my quick tip video, you saw that I've redone my cases, how I store my clear mount stamps. And then, if you saw, my stamps weren't exactly sticking to the plastic because the clear mount stamps, sometimes after you use them a lot, they get a lot of debris. I'll call it debris on the back. It might be oil from your fingers and such like that. So if your clear mount stamps aren't sticking to your blocks or to your case, my suggestion is a little alcohol prep pad. I keep these by my stamp desk all the time, but just clean that a little bit. And it doesn't take much, and it's alcohol, so it dries really fast. Look, they're sticking to each other. But the ones that you use the most, you might have to do this a couple times. Now, I wouldn't suggest soaking them in alcohol or anything like that. I don't think that's a good idea. But if you wipe them with a little alcohol pad like that, look how nice they stick now. Now I don't have any trouble with my stamp sticking to my case or to my blocks. Alrighty, that's my little tip just now. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you back next time. Bye-bye.